Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are reviewing NEOGEN's Vita Duo Cream Joan Day and Night Cream. Please watch this video before you buy the product. Joan Kim is a YouTuber that collaborated with NEOGEN for this cream. Joan stated that the box is made up of some special type of paper. It claims that multi-purpose cream comes infused with day cream formula, contains green tea extracts and vitamin C to soothe and brighten skin, while its night formula is infused with lavender extracts and vitamin E to nourish and calm skin. We get her signature on the inside of box. The tub itself is big with light green color that feels soothing to the eyes. Green tea is one of the most effective skincare ingredients to help with rosacea. It also has vitamin C in day cream and vitamin E in night cream that can be layered together to boost the effects of both the creams. This is a half daily moisturizer and half sleeping pack. It comes with a spatula. Both day and night creams are labeled on the lid. One lid covers both the creams. So when you take off the lid, every time your cream will become less effective because of coming in contact to the environment, especially vitamin C day cream. Now day cream has light green color and has thicker consistency, while night cream is more like a gel. Both creams have fragrances added to it as it can irritate sensitive skin easily. Day cream has 0.00001% of vitamin C and night cream has 0.001% of vitamin E. What the fuck? Day cream is on the heavier side. Look how thick it is. The day cream melts into the skin and does not leave any streaks, but I have a feeling that instead of brightening skin, it leaves a white cast. Now I don't know what is it just me or what, but the skin afterwards looks good and it is moisturizing too. The night cream on the lighter side. As it has vitamin E, this gel-based cream should be used after day cream. Again, this night cream sinks into the skin really nicely and right away. It looks quite good so far. One more drawback of the lid is that once you put it back on the tub, a little amount of product escapes from the side of it. It's not that much big, but still, I wanted to add it. So let's look at me for the very first time before using the product. Since Joan said this cream is for all skin types, I trust her. I have very dry and sensitive skin type. I have few blemishes too on my face. I will be using only this cream and no other skincare to see how effective this is for the next 12 days. I will use this only at night as the day cream has vitamin C in it and I will have to use sunblock. So every night I will apply day cream first and then the night cream. Green tea and lavender oil or essential oils show that it is somehow organic or natural cream, or it gives us an assurance that a certain product will be good. But Dr. Dre states that using products with these oils, lavender oil, essential oils, can highly likely give you a condition called allergic contact dermatitis. It might not be a problem today, but using it consistently will increase the risk. Dr. Dre says that using these ingredients should be straight up avoided and it has no role in skincare, especially if you have sensitive or rosacea prone skin. So green tea in it started out to be helping rosacea ingredient in it, but then they added other ingredients to screw it up that no sensitive skin type person can use. This cream is not great in that regard. People will like it because it is highly moisturizing and it does not give you the oil slick look. So after the day cream, my face looks moisturized and brightened, but to be honest, I could have gotten a cheaper and more effective product. I still don't know that it brightens the skin or whitens it. Now comes the night cream. Now it melts into my skin. One thing that I don't like is that it has fragrance. Now my skin looks moisturized and fine after this. In fact, it looks beautiful. So guys, every night after applying the creams, after around 5 minutes, my face and ears would start to feel hot and my skin would turn into a tomato red color and my cheeks would burn. Unfortunately, I forgot to record that, but this video is after applying Dear Claire's calming cream. I used to apply it every night afterwards. The calming cream would lessen the redness, but my skin always reacted to this cream. I have now got brown and red spots all over my cheeks that was not even there before. To be honest, I love Joan, but I will not recommend this product to anyone. I will rate it -1 by 5. It did not break me out though, but it did not suit in my sensitive skin. If you love it, good for you. But I think that I got scammed into buying this product. My friend with oily, composed skin loves this cream though. What can I say? Stay safe. This is me, Leneha, Junsu, signing off. Bye.